Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have global admin or user administrator privileges so you can invite guests. Once done, gather the guest email, select their intended directory role, and decide whether they'll join via direct invite or B2B collaboration settings. Make sure to check external collaboration policies before proceeding to avoid blocked invitations. Now open the Azure portal, go to Azure Active Directory, and select Users, then New Guest User to begin the invitation flow. Next, you enter the guest's display name and email, and write a customized invite message to provide context. Then assign them to appropriate groups, and, if needed, a directory role. This controls what they can access. Make sure to set the usage location and profile attributes to match licensing and compliance needs, and require multi-factor authentication if your policy needs it. Once configured, review assigned access carefully before sending the invite to avoid overpermissioning. Finally, send the invitation and watch for the acceptance notification. Once accepted, verify the guest appears under external identities or guests. Then test access to shared resources and validate conditional access policies apply. If the guest cannot sign in, check the invitation status and audit logs in Azure AD, confirm external collaboration settings allow their domain, and ensure they completed redemption using the same email. If issues persist, reissue the invite after correcting policy or domain blocks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.